Anthony, I think Santa's coming. I think Santa brought you some presents. Mommy will take it off in just a second. Let's see what Santa brought, okay? Oh, Anthony.
Look what Santa brought.
Is that from Santa?
Look what Santa brought for Anthony.
All right. Is that from Santa? Oh, and her big boy bike. Can Daddy will help you get on there, okay? Ooh. So Daddy will help you get on your big boy bike. Anthony, you got to sit on your backhoe. You can sit. There's a little seat up there. Can you sit on it? This might require some assistance. Anthony, sit down on the chair. Do you see the little chair? There you go. Now turn around the other way. Sweetheart, you got to turn around the other way. There we go. All right. Woo! Oh! Woo!
Okay, now ready? All right, pull this one to make the bucket go. You can scrape. Then we can turn.
Whoa.
Dump the dirt. Come back. Scrape some more.
Oh, a little bit front heavy.
Don't sit on the seat. You put your foot on the back.
Go, Tone, go. Whoop.
These are outside toys.
It's just like the hippity hop cow. It'll take a little bit of time for him to get his bearings. Oh, he's trying to HOP on it, isn't he?
Yep.
Daddy will sit you on your bike, honey, okay? Whoa, dude. Push with the pedals. Push, push. Daddy will show you how it goes. Wow.
Tight corner.
Whoa. Backhoe?
Backhoe, yes.
Whoops. We're going to have to work on that dismount.
Dismount. I gotta get on my backhoe.
All right. Sweetie, got to sit the other way. Got to turn the other way, honey. There you go.
Up on, Big Tone.
Good job. Nice work. Good job, Anthony. That's a nice big bucket, isn't it? Is that the bucket? Well, I think Santa did good this year. Look at that. He's already got it figured out.